The Kentucky Transportation Cabinet Engineering and Safety Training Rodeo recently concluded with the first employee from District 12 to place in the competition. Highway Technician Superintendent 1 Jacob Prater received his trophy and bragging rights shortly after. Mountaintop News spoke with Prater to hear his thoughts on the accomplishment.
It was great. I mean, you had several different types of equipment on display and advertising everything that the state can get into and what they can update, our roadways with new equipment. I've always been about equipment since I've been born, and to go down there and actually place second in the state means a pretty good deal to me, to be honest, because, nobody's ever done it out of District 12, and to be the first to do it's a pretty good thing. You'll be going through a course where they got stands set up on 1-inch pipe, and you have to have tennis balls on it, and they're all different heights on different sides as you go through the course. You got to knock a tennis ball off the 1-inch pipe without knocking the pipe over.
For 26 years, Sandy Thornberry ran Caremore Pharmacy. Now, Christy Morgan Ratliff of Faith Pharmacy continues the legacy with fast, personalized service and the same great team. Caremore Pharmacy at Dorton, now a part of the Faith Pharmacy family.
The Transportation Cabinet's rodeo is also an opportunity for road workers to enhance their knowledge of the machinery they operate to perform their jobs better. Prater is determined to compete again next year.
Absolutely, yeah. I'm going to try to go every year if I can. I'm going to compete on the skid steer, backhoe, and the grader. Try to go back every year. It's a good thing, and more people need to get in on it. We don't get to see what goes on in lower end of the state, and it kind of gives you an idea of talk to everybody else and see what's new down that way that we can bring back this way and apply to our district. You're always plowing snow off the road. You got to, keep a good head on the swivel when you're cutting snow off the road, laying blacktop patches. You got to be precise. You're within 1 inch to 2 inches always of laying blacktop for, the public travel on to keep the road safe.
Reporting for Mountaintop News, I'm Nick Collum.